In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize Dropbox folders. By the end, you'll have a clean, easy to navigate structure that saves time and keeps everything exactly where you expect it to be. First, open your browser and go to dropbox.com. Sign into your account so you're working directly with your files in the web interface. This view makes it simple to build a structure from the top down and see how everything fits together. Start by creating a few broad, high-level folders that reflect the main areas of your life or business. Think of these like pillars. Common choices are work, personal, shared files, and archive. Keep the names short and clear so they're easy to scan. The goal here is to capture everything you do without getting specific yet. If you ever feel unsure where something belongs, these top-level folders should make the decision straightforward. Next, take control of the order your folders appear in. Dropbox sorts alphabetically by default, which isn't always ideal. To keep your most important folders at the top, add numbers to the beginning of their names. For example, rename them to 01 part work, 02 personal, and 03 shared. Using 2 digits helps maintain the order if you add more later, like 10 part archive, without things jumping around unexpectedly. Now, drill down logically inside each main folder. Create subfolders that go from broad to specific. For instance, inside 01 work, you might create a folder called 2025's projects. Using the year first, like 2025 projects, keeps items sorted chronologically. Within that, separate by client or project name, and then by categories like assets or deliverables. Consistent naming, such as using underscores instead of spaces, helps everything stay tidy and searchable. Finally, star your active folders so they're always within easy reach. Find the folder you use most often, click the settings icon next to its name, choose More, and select Star. Starred folders surface in your quick access area, which means you can jump into your current work without hunting through the entire structure. When a folder is no longer active, simply remove the star to keep your priority list focused. That's the complete workflow. Sign in, create clear high-level categories, force the sort order with numbers, build logical subfolders from broad to specific, and star what you're working on right now. Follow this approach and your Dropbox will stay organized as your files grow. Thanks for watching.